Hey friends, today I'm visiting a thrift store to look for something for my DIY project so that we can turn it into a beautiful decoration piece. So let's go. In this video, we are going out together to a thrift store and hunt for a simple vase. I'll show you step by step to transform a simple vase into a beautiful decoration piece, along with everything you need to know for this project and where you can find them. I chose my neighborhood Goodwill store for this project. The downtown stores are big, but I find them super busy and overloading at times. And also there are times I didn't feel comfortable going there alone. But if you choose a store in suburbs, they are better organized and have higher quality products. I know you must be thinking they are smaller, but let's take quality over quantity. Have a look at this store. It's really clean and everything is so organized. Love it. I like this section with glass vases and I'm picking up this one which is priced at $5. The result of this project is so beautiful, but somehow it looks so complex. But you will see it's really simple, needing only 3 things costing you less than $15. I got pre-mixed all-purpose compound and a trowel from Home Depot, but you can find it in any local hardware store or even Michael's. I didn't find the spray paint color I needed there, which I got it from my local Target store. Before coming to US, I had never visited a thrift store, but some time ago while I was working on a project, I went to a downtown thrift store with a friend and trust me, I was surprised at the great finds we discovered there. It opens up a new spectrum of things you can do at budget with a little bit of effort. You know a funny story, the Target store where I bought this paint from asked for my ID to sell the spray. A lot of kids buy the spray paints and use it for graffiti painting on the walls. I'm not sure though how checking ID stops them from doing what they do. The benefit of DIY project is that you can create your own pieces that are unique and no one else would have anything close to them. Plus, you can create them on a budget, so it's easy to change them with seasons or when you get bored and create a new one. We'll make a lot more together as this is just the beginning. If you know me by now, we don't throw things. We donate for someone else to enjoy or even better, sell them at Facebook Marketplace. This could be your next big venture. Do let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY projects.